Hi, my name is Connie, and we are continuing our journey through the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. I am so excited for you that you have gotten a starter kit and gotten started with Young Living. I love my oils. I love Young Living. They are such a great company and so dedicated to quality. It's just, that's what I just love about them. Today I'm going to be telling you about peppermint oil. So peppermint oil, this is the oil that comes in your starter kit. It is in the Vitality label, the white label, which means that it is for internal use. You can ingest it internally. Then also Young Living has the peppermint in the regular label, which is for topical or aromatic use. Just to note that these are exactly the same oil. The formula is no different. They are interchangeable. It's just that Young Living is required to put on a label that says it's okay to ingest it, because if you're using something that's sold as a cosmetic application, which would be on your skin, then it is the FDA says no, you can't then eat that. You know, it's just not done. So there again, that's why the labeling difference. So a couple of ways I use Young Living, the peppermint oil. It's a staple for me. It's at the top of my list. I always have backup bottles because I use it a lot. So if I use it to support any kind of tummy issues, and also it is good for cooling, which if you just put a drop in the palm of your hand and oh, I forgot, you know, while we're sitting here doing this, grab your peppermint oil and open it up, take a big whiff out of it. It's just such an uplifting smell. It's just great. So do that, and that'll be fun. So so for the cooling, put a drop in your hand, rub it a couple of times to activate it, and then just rub it on the back of your neck. You can put it on the top of your head, especially guys. That would be great, you know, because you don't have a lot of hair to mess up. But just put it on there, and then also on your wrists, because the blood is very close to the surface on your wrist, so that's a good spot as well. And then just any breeze or air really gives it a little tingle. It's just it's kind of fun, as well as helping to cool you off. Peppermint is also good for respiratory. I use it that way. I have a diffuser blend that's called Breathe, that you put 2 drops each of peppermint, lemon, and peppermint, lavender, and lemon, which are all in your premium starter kit, in your diffuser, and do that. It's just a really fresh kind of a smell, and also, like I say, very good for any kind of respiratory fun. So, okay, so then also I can be sitting at my desk and at work and just feeling kind of numb in the afternoon. There again, I open that up, just take a big whiff of it, a couple of deep breaths of it, and it's just uplifting. Put it on the on my forehead, temples, if I'm having some head issues, and then it's great for that as well. Just so many uses. I had a scrape on my knee, and what I was reading is the protocol was to also, as the wound healed, to apply peppermint there. Just research peppermint oil. It has got a lot of different uses, very powerful things. So I hope. Oh, I have also another way I use it is to make a tea using 1 drop each of peppermint, thieves, and lemon. There again, those are all in your starter kit. And a drizzle of either agave syrup or honey, whichever you prefer, and some warm water. That is very soothing to the throat, and also just helps to open up sinuses, and just even breathing it. But it's very, very soothing for the throat. So I use that as well. So I hope these tips have helped you. Enjoy your starter kit. I've just had so much fun with my oils, and with the community of people that being involved with the oils creates. I love learning together, so enjoy all of that. All right, take care.